Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to recover deleted comments in TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your mobile screen and tap on the icon to launch it. Once the app opens up on the screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile page. From here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Select the settings and privacy from the menu. In the settings and privacy section, tap on account. Now tap on download your data. Here, you can request your data including comments or messages by tapping on the request data. TikTok allows users to recover their last 4 days activity. Once the data is ready, you will receive it in the selected format like TXT or JSON. And that's it. This is how you can recover deleted messages or comment on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.